family? How you guys doing? This is Larry.
It's Teresa.
So we've been doing the demolition this week, and I want you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, what's going on, guys? How you doing? I am Larry.
I am Teresa.
Listen, we've been doing the demolition this week. I said it ain't gotta be perfect.
You said demolition.
Yeah, but it ain't gotta be perfect though. Hello, we're gonna start over. I'm gonna do my hand. 1, 2, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom. Hey guys, how you doing? This is Larry.
And this is Teresa.
So look, we have been doing the demolition this week. I done messed it up a few times, so I wanna make sure I get it right. We've been doing the demolition this week. We rented the doggone excavator. Never done this before, guys.
Never ever.
So I want you guys to follow along with the video, but as you're following along with the video, you have to understand that we have never done this before. This is all trial by fire. It's been some mistakes that I've made. You ain't make no mistakes, but I made a few, knocked off some power here and you know, did some stuff bad there, but it's all good. That's part of the learning curve. But yeah, so you guys follow along with the video. You're gonna see from start, the beginning, finish. Right now, we currently only have maybe a day or so. Let's say 3 days worth of work.
Hopefully tomorrow.
You think it'll be done tomorrow?
Yeah, I think so. They bring the bin back.
We waiting on them to bring the bin back. So we had 2 bins initially, and then we end up getting another bin. We're waiting on them to bring that empty bin back because we want to get that shed up too.
Yeah, we knocked the house down and the shed.
The shed. So.
And we're at my mom's house.
Yeah. So again, I want you guys to follow along. Tell me what you think. We're getting everything up. I'm to the point now where I'm ready to set a fire. That's why I'm to the point where I'm ready to do.
Yeah, we about to set the fire now.
I'm to that point now where I just think we should just pour diesel, light it, and just let it burn down to what it's gonna be. Come back and scrape and clean up the rest. That's what I think we should do. But anyway, guys, I appreciate you guys for watching, liking, sharing, commenting on all our videos. I'm gonna talk to you next time. Peace.